What up, my positive blood cells?
Holy fuck, I'm kinda high.
I got some requests actually. I've been getting some requests to make some more like tutorial type videos, so fuck my nose, dude, Jesus Christ. So I've been getting asked to make some more tutorial type videos and shit, so I'm definitely gonna be looking at that. And I know like my channel's been like hella inactive for like a fucking minute, and I do apologize about that. I just really haven't been active on like my social, like I've been lurking, not really just like posting. I don't know, I'm like kind of stuck in this place where I don't really know what to post, or like I don't know. I just need to figure out my shit. But as for me, like just kind of not posting this past like month, I've been dealing with some issues in my mouth. I had a broken molar, I had to get a root canal, some other bullshit, so
What the fuck?
yeah, I'm sorry about that. But this video today, pretty much I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to tune 808's, man. I'm in a Personas Facebook page group, and I think someone was asking how to do this, and I commented on their post saying that I would upload a video sometime trying to do it. And I got a comment on my YouTube video, the only fucking one I have for Studio One. But I got a comment on my on that YouTube video, and someone was asking about how to tune the 808, so that's what I'm gonna teach you guys today. I'm gonna go through, fucking break some shit down. Here we go. Let's hop into it. So as you can see here, as you can see here, I got my fucking screen pulled up. I just got like a little melody and some chords just right now, just to make it easy. I don't want to fucking make this like a stupid long video, but here, this is what I'll do. I'm just finna make this hella easy for myself. I'm gonna take the bass line, I'm gonna copy it, Control C. I'm gonna click in on the arranger over here, Control V. And this is gonna be my 808. Let me name it. Let me name my shit real quick. I'll show y'all the melody right quick. Alright, yeah, you know, it's like some vibey shit, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna pull up some fucking sounds real quick. Alright guys, I got my sounds loaded up. I'm just gonna make a quick little pattern just to, you know, get a quick little loop going. Alright, so now I'm gonna find an 808 sample, and we're gonna go from there. Now, if you've downloaded like packs from like Cymatics or like other people's kits and shit like that, a lot of people tend to already tune them to C, which is real good and easy, you know, but like if you don't know, or if it's not there, you should always be doing these things, because if your 808's out of key, then it just sounds bad, you know what I'm saying? But, and like, don't mind, I got a fucking like sinus infection. It's all fucked up. So yeah, let me just find an 808 sample, and I'll fucking, like, if you see like where my cursor is, like all of these, like it's telling me like what key the 808 is in. So let me just, okay, so I found an 808. This is what it sounds like. I don't know how loud it is for you, but that's pressing it just on the C key. Now if you look at the highlighted thing over here, it says it's a D, or the 8, yeah, you know what I mean. Now with that being said, if I open sample 1, I use sample 1 for my 808s and my hats, and I use impact for kicks, claps, snares, most other drum sounds. Perks, sometimes I think I don't even throw them in a virtual instrument. I just kind of line them up on the arranger. But yeah, I mean, yeah, workflow is up to you, dog. But if we see right here, if you look at my cursor, it says root C3. Now, if I hit C3, what is actually playing is D, because this sample is tuned to D. You know what I'm saying? And how do I know? Like, I'm just like, how do I know that? I'll fucking show you. Let me pull down the mixer. I'm gonna close this right quick. Pull this up. Hit this. Type in tuner. This comes stock in Studio One. All right. This is a fucking dope ass plugin. I hit this, and I'm hitting C. I'm hitting C on my keyboard. But what's it saying it is? It's D. Now that's how you would find it if you didn't know how to find what key the 808 is in, or really anything for that matter. You could throw holy shit. You could throw a tuner on any of these. Fuck. Dude. This drip is disgusting. My God. Alright, so if you didn't know what the 808, like the key of the 808, or really anything for that matter, like if you're trying to find the key of a sample or whatever, I mean, this probably isn't the best for like a sample with like a bunch of fucking notes and shit all over the place, but you can get a pretty good idea with this. But like I said, I'm hitting C and it's telling me it's D. So what I need to go back and do is pull up sample 1 again, and I'm gonna hit root over here. It's gonna highlight it. On my MIDI keyboard, I'm gonna hit D3, because that's what I want the root to be. Now if we go over to this, if I hit D, it's gonna show me D. If I hit C, it's gonna show me C, because it's in key now. All the notes will be hitting correctly. All right, so let's say, all right, so I just inputted this. I didn't play it out or anything. So automatically, these velocities are hitting 80, because my default velocity is 80. Now, I want it to hit as hard as possible, or if I want my velocities to fluctuate, I need to do this, and I'm gonna show you. So let's just say I want them all up, or just for example purposes, I'm gonna turn this one kind of down. Now if I play it, it all kind of just sounds the same. Like they're all still hitting at the same level, which is a little odd. And this is in sample 1. It's not in impact. Impact, you could just change the velocities and it'll work effectively. But this little knob right here, this velocity knob, you got to turn this all the way up to 100%. And now watch. You hear that difference? You hear how this second note took a hella dip? Now when I use that on my 808s, watch, I'll show you. So I have it, I'll turn it back to 50 because it's stock at 50. If it wants to go. Now if I play these hats, oh shit, hold up. Let me humanize them first. Command H. I think that's the stock thing. Hit OK, and now you can see it's all fucking randomized. Now if I play it back, it all just sounds flat. It all like robotic. It's hitting at the same shit. If I go in, turn this velocity up, take a listen back, you can hear them hit, like how different they hit. It's not just like a robotic thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell y'all how to tune your 808s, how to better work with these instruments, how to get a, just a better sound overall. So, all right, so I just wanted to show y'all pretty much just how to tune your 808s, and just some little extra tips like that velocity thing, but just some extra tips and shit. But yeah, if there's ever anything you guys want to know, like specifically, or a video you want me to make about something, just go ahead and drop a comment in any of my videos, honestly, but just probably just my most recent one, just so I know. And yeah, fucking peace out. Fucking I'm gonna make some music and fucking deal with this sinus infection, and yeah, so deuce.